Hey guys, it's Trevina with TMB Designs, and I'm coming to you today with a really exciting video. It's something new for the channel, but won't be the only time for the channel. What I'm coming to you today, as you can tell by the title, it is a review. Now, I was reached out by the CEO of this wonderful company, Mr. Terrence Strong. He owns a company called ZaaBox, and so ZaaBox is it's a luxury subscription box that you get on a subscriber plus a monthly basis, and it is filled with top of the line beauty products from African American artists, which I think that is wonderful. Being an entrepreneur myself, the fact that the group of them could come together from all over the world and create this beautiful box just for us, for the women of color. And I don't want to say that it's just for the women of color, but as women of color, we tend to put ourselves on the back burner. So let's bring ourselves to the forefront and love on ourselves, especially with Mother's Day being right around the corner, you guys. This will be so perfect. Even if you want to gift a sister, a friend, you're a mother. If guys that are watching, if you want to gift your lady with something really nice and luxurious, this would definitely be one of those items. Now, for all of those that, after you see the review and you're very, very excited about it, which I know you will be, there will be a discount given when you go on to order. Enter the discount code TOP5 to receive a discount for this subscription box. So without any further ado, let's hop right into it. Now, initially, your package will come just like so, and it'll let you know that it is perishable, refrigerate once it arrives, and to open it immediately. Now, I will say this, that I got this box a couple of days ago. I opened it and lost the footage, so this is a review, a rewind to the review. So let's go in and open this box, but I'm excited to show you guys all the goodies inside. Now, it'll come, which I think this is really important, especially if something is perishable. It'll have like a refrigerated tempered little package in there to keep all of the items properly tempered. That's a good thing, right? Next, once you open it up, you'll see this beautiful box. Isn't that gorgeous? And it says ZaaBox, and then it'll have it descriptions right there as well. Beautiful box, can be displayed with some nice jewelry or just extra chocolate once you use up all the products inside. So I love a dual function item, so that gives you dual function. So immediately after opening the box, you get a personalized card, and this card has my name on it, handwritten, which is oh so classy. So you get that, and inside it'll say, "Welcome to ZaaBox. This is a letter to me. Dear Trevina, I love the way the moonlight makes your gorgeous ebony skin glisten." Who wouldn't want to read that? The sun rays of light glide me through your breathtaking curves. Loving you is loving the divine. My love, you are beautiful. You are a beautiful masterpiece. Sincerely, Mr. Strong. How romantic would that be, getting that from your significant other, and just a nice little, personal touch into your subscription box. Absolutely love that. So gets kudos for me on that. Once you read your nice little letter, the box is going to come packaged just like this. So you'll have the little, it's tied down, and so you untie it. You open it up to all of the wonderful treats inside. I absolutely love the packaging. To me, the beauty is in the detail, and presentation is everything. So ZaaBox did not, they didn't skimp out on the presentation. The box is beautiful. Even the packaging that it came in was beautiful. So immediately opening the package, you're going to get this, it's a postcard. And on this postcard, it's going to give you each ingredient that is in there, as well as the owners of the ingredients and the name of, not the ingredients, but the product, as well as the name of the maker of those products. And so starting out, we're going to go right into it. Now, first thing, you're going to get a nice rose in your package. Again, guys, I did this the other day, so this rose is not as vibrant as it was when I first got it, but nonetheless, it's beautiful. It has a little water capsule with it, so you'll get that nice little touch of elegance there. Love that. So that alone, it already sets the tone. So say, for instance, you open up your box and you want to start it. You want to run you a bubble bath. You want to start a nice pampering night. You got your nice music playing in the background, your jazz, your R&B, whatever floats your boat. Let's paint the picture, okay? So you've got that. So you've gotten the rose, place the rose in a nice little vase next to your tub. Let's start with item number one. Item number one, you're going to get this beautiful, first of all, let's do this. You're going to get some chocolate from Mr. Philip Ashley. It's the Philip Ashley chocolates. Beautifully packaged. You'll get 2 nice little chocolates. They'll come just like this. I can open that up and you slide it out. And you'll find your wonderful chocolates inside. Okay? Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Everything is so nicely packaged, and I love that. So you get the chocolates from Mr. Philip Ashley's, and it is a mocha minted chocolate. And yes, it's edible, and I will tell you, it was delicious. So after you open up your chocolates, you'll have this nice lavender chamomile candle. It is a 100% soy wax candle. Smells amazing. It is lavender chamomile, you guys. So refreshing. I wish you guys could smell it. It smells so good. So you imagine lighting your candle. So you're setting the mood. No bath is complete without body wash, right? So they have provided for you the Miss Mitra's, hope I'm pronouncing it right, body wash. It too is a sulfate-free lavender body wash. And it says this wonderful sulfate-free shampoo is lovable, and it's handmade with all natural vegan ingredients, you guys. So this stuff is not only it smells so good, but it's good for you. It smells so good. I wish you guys could really, really smell these items, but I'm hoping that I'm painting a really good picture for you guys. So on top of the body wash, you're also going to get this, you guys, a chocolate lavender aromatherapy soap. Absolutely love this. This is by Miss Tasha Hussey. The ingredients: shea butter, coconut oil, palm oil, purified water, cocoa, and these other essential oils. Absolutely amazing, amazing, amazing products. They did not skip on anything. And once you finish your nice relaxing bath, you're going to moisturize yourself with this luxurious NG. It's Naturally Glorious Moisturizer. Absolutely amazing. I have used some of this, and guys, it has your skin feeling like silk, and it smells so good. It's not a strong scent, but it's a subtle, refreshing scent, you guys. You will absolutely fall in love with these products. So as far as I'm concerned, the ZaaBox is top notch. So again, if you love the contents that you've seen, which I'm sure you do by now, you've gotten the image in your head of a wonderful relaxing bath. Pamper yourself. It's Mother's Day, your birthday, whatever. It's just because we're hardworking mothers and entrepreneurs and wives, and we're just doing it. You know, take the time out to love on yourself, and I think this would be a wonderful, wonderful way to do so by subscribing to the luxury beauty box. It's amazing. I love everything. Everything smells wonderful. The lotion feels wonderful. You get the nice chocolates. You get a soap. You get a body wash and a candle, and they give you a rose. So everything to me was just A1. So kudos to you, Mr. Strong, and the entire staff at the ZaaBox. Keep them coming. I am a new subscriber, so I will definitely be enjoying it, and I will probably do other unboxing of this product because I am definitely in support of supporting us. So if you're looking for something, just a little something, you know, something to just give you that extra touch of glam in your home, take this box and you can open up and display these beautiful items on your counter, around your tub. So there's so many ways that you can benefit from being a subscriber. But again, I want to thank you, Mr. Strong, for even considering, you know, TMB Designs to be a part of your reviewing and partnering with you. So the pleasure was all mine, and I hope that you guys have found everything enjoyable. And until next time, this is Trevina with TMB Design saying don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button and that notification button. Check me out on TMB Designs 2 on Instagram, TMB Designs 2 on Facebook. Would love to interact with you. Until then, you guys be blessed and have a fabulous day. Smooch.